You guys, hi. Today, no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor. If you are new here, if you're not new, hey girl, what's up? Let me know how you're doing. Leave it down below. Don't leave me hanging. Keep me in the loop. You know what I'm saying? So in today's video, it's going to be very quick. So I quite legitimately have to leave the house in the next 32 minutes. So this video came at perfect timing. This is going to be my 10-minute makeup for when you just have to do a little 1-2 and you have to get out the door. Like I said, I only have 30 minutes. So we can't do too much. But we want to look like elevated, you know. We'd like to enhance the beauty God already gave us, so we're not going to do too much in terms of like liquid foundation and concealer and all the things, right? But it's going to look like something. So I'm not even going to do too much in this intro. Here we are now, and then eventually we'll be looking like this, period. So let's get started. I'm gonna clip my hair back so she doesn't get in the way. You guys, if my hair looks a little wild in this video, it's because it's a little old. It's getting a little greasy and whatnot. So we're just gonna let her do what she needs to do. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, we're nice and zoomed. You guys, can you comment down below how you like this background? Before I was like, let me put a little words of wisdom, scripture, whatever. But then now it's just looking a little chaotic back there. And I'm like, maybe I need to figure something else out. But if y'all cool, I'm cool. Period. Anyway, like I said, we gotta go. The face is washed, serumed up, and moisturized, so we're good here. We're gonna go in with a primer. Before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Refined Brow Sculpt to start on the eyebrows. First things first, I'm not gonna force y'all to go get your brows done, but if I would be lying if I didn't tell you it's a game changer. So also, if you are really trying to just hurry up, brow lamination and then like a brow tint and arch, girl, you don't even have to worry about your eyebrows. I'm blessed enough to have thicker eyebrows, so I don't have to do too much to them, but I still have to tame the beast, honey. I have to make sure they're, oh, shh. See, how much meeting? It's like, see you at 12. I'm like, okay. So, like I said, I'm for real, you guys. Okay. So I typically do my eyebrows like this all the time, but this is my first time using this product, so we're trying it out together. Oh, see. Can y'all see? Hold on, let me zoom in some more. It's giving a little bit of flakiness. I don't know if that's user error or what, but I don't know. We'll try her out. I picked this up during the Sephora VRB sale. Yeah, I don't know about this product. Just giving me like crust. Like product crustation. You guys know I typically use my Morphe, the Morphe Meredith D. Burr. Child, I don't know. Y'all know what I use. I'll have a link down below. And that product doesn't do this. I might return this and try the Patrick Ta. I know Kyra and Aaliyah swear by that one. So I might try that one. Because this is supposed to be a quick, fast, and a hurry tutorial. And I can't even quick, fast, and hurry. Maybe I didn't use enough product. I don't know. I've never used it. It doesn't come with instructions, so. She's cute, but like the brow crusties was like taking me for a loop, so I don't know. We'll just keep testing her out and we'll see if she sticks around. Next up, I'm gonna go in with primer. If you are an OG makeup girly, then you know about the Dr. Brandt Pore Refining Primer. Nicole Guerrero put, well, that's not her last name anymore, but Nicole Guerrero put the community onto this primer, and it's a 10 out of 10. So it helps to minimize the pores as well as, you know, get rid of the shine. So you guys can see like I'm shining up in here. It does have a scent to it, but it's like more of like a skincare scent. So you just put it in your T-zone. And I'm gonna also put on my eyelids because they get a little shiny. Did y'all see how that just mattified me? Like, do you see? 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, I don't have the largest pores, so I can't really attest to the pore minimizing, but I can only imagine what it does for people with larger pores. Like, I've seen reviews and stuff like that. I would highly recommend you guys trying that out. I don't know if they sell it at Sephora, but I know they sell it at Ulta. I'll have it linked down below. Like, if you just wanted to have a no makeup day, you can definitely just throw the primer on, little lip gloss, little one too, and head out the door. Now we're nice and primed. But when I'm trying to get out the door, essentially it's just underpainting, y'all. Literally, I have 20 minutes, so this has to go quick. So I go in with my concealer. This is the Sephora Collection Bright Future Gel Concealer in the shade 15 Dulce de Leche. Prayerfully you guys can see. Is it too bright? Is that better? Can y'all see better? I feel like it was a little... Ooh, that look a little dark. I don't have time for that now. Okay, how's that? Can y'all see? Look, we'll find out. We'll find out together in the editing. If I put this here, down the nose, and then a little on our forehead. Then I go in with the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever in the shade 34.5 Neutral. And I'm just gonna place that on the inner corner area because I like it a little brighter, just to awaken us, you know what I'm saying? So we let that sit, right? Because that's gonna give us more coverage. While this is sitting, I'm gonna go in with my contour. This is the Morphe Sun and Done bronzer in the shade Cocoa Coast. And we're gonna go on to our regular contouring spots. Oop, forgot to hit the jaw. And I'm gonna put a little under there just to give out a little pout. All right, I'm gonna go in with a, I guess you could say it's a foundation brush, but it's just a slanted, denser brush. And we're gonna go in and blend out the contour. You can also use a makeup sponge if you want, but I'm just gonna go in with this. You want to dab and swipe, dab and swipe. If you need more, you can just go ahead and add it where you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Rare Beauty blush and apply it in our normal blush areas. I'm gonna take that same brush and just blend it out. And this is also good because it's gonna help blend out that concealer into the blush as well. And honestly, like doing it this way helps to kind of like bring all the colors together and kind of make a nice like blend. And of course, if you need more, add more. Okay, so now we're gonna go on and blend our concealer. Funny enough, these little sponges, oh yeah, yes ma'am, absolutely yes. I use these to blend out the concealer as well as place the setting powder. So you just go in and blend away. If your concealer has set a little bit too much, you can go ahead and spray it. This is MAC Fix Plus. And if you need to add a little bit more, go ahead and do so. And I would suggest blending that darker shade first. Go ahead and apply whatever's left over on the eyelid. That darker shade first. And then go ahead and get that lighter shade blended. I'm going with the brush that we use for our blush and contour and kind of just blend that out just so it's seamless. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't take much. Look, we look like we just did a whole one too, and we didn't. I'm gonna go with my Fenty, honey. One of these days I'm gonna use something else, but I don't know. I heard the one size is pretty phenomenal, but I'm using my Fenty, so it's so good. also going to bring it up on my eyelid. And I just go ahead and just dab that in. And then we'll brush away whatever is left over. So pretty much we're going to set all the cream with powder. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. And we're just going to... Oh my gosh, I never blended out that bronzer that I had. that I added on the forehead. Oh my gosh, and I never blended this. Okay. Cute, cute. Whatever extra I have on the brush, I'm just gonna place on my nose. Little razzle dazzle on the eye. I just go ahead and take that bronzer and put it on the eye. And that'll be our eyeshadow. I literally have 10 minutes left, so luckily we're almost finished. Take another, like a small, you see, real tiny. Most of these brushes are from Morphe, and if they're not from Morphe, Morphe has a similar type of brush. Place that on the lower lash line. Purr. Y'all don't mind Blaze. He barks at the end lamps. It's his way of giving, you know, good energy, good vibe. This is NARS Exhibit A blush, setting the blush. Y'all don't know why, but I will stay up and then have to wake up in the morning, like rather early. But baby girl, you didn't go to bed till 12. Like, how you think that's sustainable? I don't know, like, I'm just a natural. Oh, what the world? I'm somewhat of a night owl, but you can't be a night owl and a morning bird. You gotta pick a side, Pooh. Pick a side. Ridiculous. So am I sleepy right now? But I got things to do, people to see, places to go. And take a fluffy, like, angle brush and just dust off whatever excess setting powder we have going on. So now for face powder, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder. I have to mix because I don't have my perfect shade. And honestly, I feel like it's very unlikely that you'll find a perfect shade in anything because there's different undertones. Like, there's different parts of your face that have different colors. Sometimes I just find it easier to just mix colors. So we're just gonna go ahead and place that powder pretty much everywhere we didn't put contour or blush or setting powder. It's gonna help bring the look together. Period. Doesn't that look cute? Come on, don't lie to me, like, come on, like. And I'm talking to y'all, so of course it's gonna take me a little longer, but I promise you, if I'm sitting here like doing my thing, honey, 15 minutes max, honey. Setting it with our, hold on. The trick is you don't really want to move your face when I don't know why I'm whispering because I could probably talk. Okay. The trick with I'll do it for y'all, but the trick for setting spray, you kind of don't want to move your face because you want it to set the way it is, so you don't want to do too much. But I gotta talk to y'all, so I gotta do a little more. Eyeliner, Kylie Cosmetics. Y'all know I'm a sucker for mixing things, so if you want to really save time, you can go get some individual lashes. You can do DIY lashes. Whatever you want to do. If you're a mascara girl, period, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna use the Telescopic Lift Mascara first. So for me, I know I have like good lashes, but I like them lengthened and voluminous. So actually, first things first, let me curl my lashes. Period. 5 minutes, let's go. And then I'm gonna go in with the Telescopic, which is gonna give me the lengthening. You see that? She's cute. Stop it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. and that's gonna give me the voluminous aspect of what we're going for the day. Period. Y'all see? So cute. You see how, like, you know what I'm going for, girl. I ain't gotta tell you too much. Now for lips, you wanna get the excess product off. Cute. Lip liner, Beauty by Chi Chi. Go ahead and blend her out. Hi Key, where is my topicals lip gloss? She missing in action, honey. I don't know where she went in. And then I'm gonna go in with my Summer Fridays lip butter balm in the shade Brown Sugar Baby. And it's good just to have something that you can throw on throughout the day. I haven't filled in my brow, so I'm gonna do a little bit of pencil just to hit those bald spots. One final spray. All right, you guys, what was I thinking? I don't know. I like highlight, so let me add a little bit of highlight, and then I'm quite legitimately out the door. Taking that same brush. This is the Refi Gloss Highlighter. A little, oh, a little dab dab. 1, 2. We look healthy, right? Okay, not too much, Taylor, not too much. All right, you guys, this is it. Let me throw some earrings on. So I look like I was raised by a praying grandmother. Cause you know, well, if your family anything like my family, and you are a woman with your ears pierced, where are your earrings? I have forgot them. Ciao. And don't be having to take a picture, cause guess what they gonna do? They gonna take their earrings off and they gonna put in your ear. Oh gosh. Anyway, there she is. So this is my 10-minute or so makeup tutorial. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. All the products will be linked down below. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. God loves you so much more. Have an amazing day, night, whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.